John Jude Ighalo is in the news again. This time, he said he could consider playing for Nigeria again after quitting after the last African Cup of Nations. And he said he's also in touch with Gernot Rohr and of course NFF president. I talked about Amaju Pinnick. But let's go to town. Let's see, or let's get to hear from Nigerians how they feel about possible return of John Jude Ighalo to be or not to be.
So I live at Ikodu.
Okay.
So what he just brought now is very good reason. But what I just think is that man is overage than somebody that can play with these guys. So he should remain where it is because I think he cannot have a form with them again. So that's why I say he should remain there. He's already retired from them before. So I don't know what he's coming to do anymore again. So I said they should look for somebody else to do.
But he has experience.
He has experience.
Just like when Mike Tyson said he wants to fight Joshua.
Yes. You can't expect Joshua and Mike Tyson to fight. If Mike Tyson can beat Joshua with experience, but he can't be able to have a strength like Anthony Joshua. So it's only to use the experience, and then the experience means something to advise Anthony Joshua. Say this is how you do, this is what you're supposed to be doing. You understand?
So
it's not for him to.
So for John Jude Ighalo?
Yeah.
So for final word, final advice to John Jude Ighalo?
Yeah, the final say is he should remain where it is. So you don't need to come back to Nigeria and say you want to play for Super Eagles again. We have so many players. You have so many players extra, so that they take another small boys that can be able to couple with them. So when he came back now, he can even be doing like say, this one, we cannot play with them. Then there's something that happened on the other day with Rasidi Yekini. When he scored a goal like this, he was even looking at say maybe it's only her that scored that goal. He was jubilating that I don't know. He jubilates only instead of go and meet those boys, and he's the header of them. So I think that is what I think. Let him remain there. We should find someone else.
Okay. Jude Ighalo.
My name is Tambe Daniel Tewasi. I'm from Benin State.
Okay. Should John Jude Ighalo return? I mean, should he return to the national team as Super Eagles, or you want him to concentrate with Man U?
No, he should not. There is no need for him to come back to the Super Eagles team. Already he is 31 years. We have other aspiring young strikers that are coming on. Let us give them time so that they can grow to be like him.
But I don't think his experience is needed in Super Eagles.
Talking about experience, Victor Osimhen too haven't played for Lille now. He got that experience. I believe that he will be able to go. So there is no need for him to come back to the national team. Let him just concentrate with Man U for now.
He said he's discussing with NFF people, Amaju Pinnick, Gernot Rohr, that after a while he's going to consider.
The only thing I heard about it, the only thing I think about that is that he said he quit the national team because of the distance of the Nigeria to China. Now that he's in UK, that he will consider coming back to the national team. But I don't think it's not proper for him to come back. Let him concentrate with Man U.
Okay.
It's okay.
The name again, please.
My name is Tambu Daniel.
Okay.
We need the experience at that front. All the young boys that is out now, they are all good 100%. But Ighalo, she can still deliver on experience counting. Because we need experience. We can play some big matches. All these young players, they can be scars of some country. But Ighalo, she play for so many clubs, and a big club, we play with the big players too. And the experience still counting.
But do you think the Nigerian coach Gernot Rohr and NFF, because he said he's already talking with them, would they consider him? Can they welcome him back?
Yeah, they're supposed to welcome him back, because no matter any club, both club or international duty, we need experienced players, either in the front or in the back or in the midfield, because the experience is totally can. When they can start all the young players for the first 11, maybe like 20 to 25 minutes, they can bring him in. At least all the defender of the opponent, they will fear and scared about him. That this man, no, we know what he can do. They will not come out to attack us again, so that we can win the match.
He said he resigned that time because the distance to China was too far.
Yeah.
So to him, London or Manchester is closer to Nigeria.
Yeah,
is that one of the reasons why he should come back?
yeah, it's one of the reasons to come back to the Super Eagles, because to fly from England to Nigeria or to any part of the world want to play the international friendly match or international match, it should be easy for him. But China should spend more than 24 hours or 48 hours before he come back to Nigeria, and the stress is too much for him. But now, you know, she meet up with a lot of Nigerian players there, and create a good development for Nigeria. If he cannot play the first 11, but let him be in that team, the expense is totally can't.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you just heard the feelings of Nigerians bearing their mind on Odion Jude Igalo as they return to the Super Eagles. We'll be waiting to hear more from Odion Jude Igalo as far as this development is concerned, particularly after he may have settled down at Manchester United for another loan deal stint. From Lagos, and Raymond Akbar for News Express Nigerian Television.